Oh, the exciting world of Forex trading where fortunes can be made or not. But hey, when things don't go as planned, traders are known for coming up with the most creative excuses. So let's dive into the world of Forex trading excuses we all make.
Dear support, I placed a 1-lot trade, but I have no clue how 100 lots opened. Please help ASAP. This is very important stuff. Wow, she's good. Wow. Oh, you're here. Sorry, I'm trying to trade, but I have very important stuff to do right now, so I'm just, doing my stuff. See you later. Bullet, I was about to make a trade, but then my cat walked across my keyboard.
Sure, blame it on the fluffy financial expert.
No, it's a f***ing cat. I was about to set my stop loss, but the mouses keep getting escaped. Oh, it's frustrating. But the rebellion is now over.
All the lengths we go to avoid taking responsibility for those trades gone wrong. But remember folks, trading requires strategy and not scapegoats. What was the best excuse that you ever heard? If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit the like button and leave your feedback in the comments below. For more success stories that can help you become a better trader, click here. If you're interested in our educational content, click here. And of course, if you don't want to miss out on any new videos, don't forget to subscribe here. See you in our next video.